Want to learn how to hide notes on Messenger or even unhide it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So, to hide notes on Messenger, all you have to do is open up the app at first. And on the top, you can see some of the notes. So, I'm going to tap on one of the notes that I want to hide. For that, you need to tap on that notes for a few seconds. As you do this, you'll get an option of hide contact. Below, share contact. Tap on it. So if you're sure you want to hide this suggested contact, all you have to do is tap on hide again. So you can see that the note has been hidden successfully. Now to unhide it, all you have to do is tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. And then scroll down and go into privacy and safety. So here on the top you can see hidden contacts. Tap on it and then tap on unhide. So that's how you do it. That's how you hide and unhide notes on Messenger. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and